Welcome to Poland, a land of resilience, rich traditions, and timeless beauty. Located in Central Europe, Poland is bordered by 7 countries, including Germany, Czech Republic, and Ukraine. It also has a northern coastline along the Baltic Sea. The capital, Warsaw, is a dynamic city of skyscrapers and history. Poland is home to about 38 million people. The official language is Polish, and the currency is the Polish zloty, PLN. Poland is a parliamentary republic with a president as head of state and a prime minister as head of government. It's a member of the European Union, NATO, and the United Nations. The economy is one of the fastest growing in Europe, driven by manufacturing, IT, agriculture, and tourism. Poland's landscapes are wonderfully diverse. The Carpathian and Tatra Mountains offer ski resorts and hiking trails in the south. The north boasts sandy beaches and the Mazury Lake District. In between, you'll find rolling plains, dense forests, and rivers like the Vistula. Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the last remaining primeval forests in Europe. Polish culture is deeply rooted in tradition and survival. The country has overcome many hardships, including partitions and war, but has preserved its identity. The majority of Poles are Roman Catholic, and religious festivals are still widely celebrated. Poland is known for classical composers like Chopin, Nobel Prize-winning authors, and a thriving film and theater scene. Traditional clothing, Highland dances, and colorful folk art still flourish in rural areas. National holidays like Constitution Day, May 3rd, and Independence Day, November 11th, are celebrated with pride. Fun fact: Poland is home to the world's largest castle, Malbork Castle, built by the Teutonic Knights. Polish cuisine is hearty and comforting. Pierogi, dumplings filled with potato, cheese, meat, or fruit, are a national favorite. Other staples include bigos, hunter's stew, kielbasa, sausage, and żurek, sour rye soup. Desserts like paczki, donuts, and makowiak, poppy seed cake, are irresistible. Meals are often enjoyed with strong coffee or herbal teas. Sports are hugely popular. Football is the #1 sport, with passionate fans and a strong league. Volleyball, ski jumping, and track and field also shine. Poland has hosted major international competitions and produces top-tier athletes. Why visit? Wander through medieval towns, marvel at Gothic churches, walk the royal route in Krakow, or reflect at the poignant Auschwitz Memorial. Poland offers a blend of past and present like no other. Whether you're drawn by the food, the forests, or the fierce spirit, Poland welcomes you with open arms. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.